Okay, so this is the Model Mania competition that they're running for this year. You had to sign up for the conference, and there was details within that where you could look up the Model Mania competition, and you had to. You're basically going to create a part. Sometimes in past years they've done some simulation, but it seems that has not been included this year, so it might be a bit more complicated than what was in previous years. You can see some examples of previous year's models. Some of the ones that were a bit earlier on maybe didn't have any simulation included, so it's going to be interesting to see what this actually entails. But we don't have any idea of what this part's going to look like. Scale of it or anything. All we know is we are going to be designing in millimeters, and we are going to be measuring our mass in grams. So, in about 20 seconds, I'm going to see the drawing for the very first time, and I'll need to start deciding what that looks like. And hopefully I won't curse or anything like that, because it can be a bit of a unfortunate thing. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Right. Let's have a look. I am going to start drawing the side profile, I think. Right, so on the front plane, let's just start sketching. Then going straight up. Then out here, there's a circle. Right, what's the radius of that? 15. So try not to mistype too much. Right, okay, so that is coming out there. It looks like that top surface is tangent, so it's going to be 265. So I'm just going to draw a circle up to here. Let's just link those two together, make them tangent. Do a quick trim. Dimension 265. Right, okay, now then, 85. Right, pop that and that horizontal to each other. Dimension from here, remember the shift key. Right, that 5. Okay, up to the top there, that looks like it's 50, but it also looks like that is a midpoint relation, so let's just go and add that in. 50, this other line, right, that's 30, it was a radius of 15. Let's just draw a line from here. Oh, come on. From that point, tangent to there. Right. Right. There's my first profile. I'm going to just extrude that out. Try not to scroll the thing too much. Right, 55. Right, okay, so we'll extrude that. 10. 55. Okay, that's the first feature. Top plane, sketch. Do a circle coming from here straight in. And let's dimension that. That is 55. Horizontal. So easy to misclick on things like this. So I'm going to come away down there. Tangent. Right, the end of that is 30. Okay, so Let's draw a centre line to the middle of that edge. Let's dimension that up. Make it 30. Make this horizontal. That's 30. That's 30. Looks like the tangency didn't pick up there, so let's just add that in. Let's extend that out. Okay, trimming. Doesn't feel terribly quick. If you're watching this after the fact, it's all too easy just to see what I maybe could have done. Right, that in line, I am going to go and just cut through all both, flip, done. Got two radiuses of 20, one there, one there. Top plane again, sketch. That looks like a slot to me, so I'm going to just use that to draw that in. Let's make those two that's concentric, and I can mark the width as 15. Oh, this is annoying. 15. Right, and again, extruded cut. This might not be always the easiest way to do it. Through on both. Okay, so we have that so far. Right, what are we doing next? Okay, the pocket is going to be the next piece. Is that thickness? Thickness is 5. Can I get away with a shell? Features, shell, 5. Bases. That looks about right. Okay, and fillet of 3. Three and 3. Okay. Top plane sketch. Let's select tangency. Nope. Convert. Extrude. Midplane. Distance of 5. Oh. 5. Okay. So we've got that so far. I think this is a good time to start adding in all the glorious fillets. So what are we looking at? All red fillets are type radius 2. So we'll add them in there, and down at the bottom, on that face, and on this edge, and also along and around that internal edge. Right, we've got our fillets in. Next feature is going to be this hole. Right, so there's 6 countersunk socket holes, so let's just do that on here. Hole wizard. Right, countersunk, ANSI, socketed cap screw, M6. We're going to go up to next and position that on there. Okay, we got that in. Here, I'm going to do a sketch, do a circle. I'm missing the circle command. Right. the size of that hole. It's just going to be same size as that one. Right, back onto here, sketch, polygon. Here. Let's go that way. Smart dimension. 11. Just because we want things to be the right size there. Extruded cut, that is 4.6. Lined 4.6 millimeters. Right, cut in there. Right, last two things are these two. Well, 4 holes. Right, okay, so let's think this through. Oh, nuts. Right. Okay, what's the angle? Top line, sketch, center line. There, good. And smart dimension. But pick up the point, pick up the arrow. The angle is 35. Okay, so come out of there, let's create a plane. That line, that is that face perpendicular to line, sorted with that face. Let's turn on the temporary axes, sketch on here. Right, that is a 4x4 through slot. It's 4 mil between the centres. Right, so measuring between the centres here, 1, like that. So smart dimension 4. It's 22 mil. So 11 mil up from there. Up to next. Right. That top plane. Nope. Front, top. Extrude. Mirror. Front plane. So second mirror going to be the top plane. The second one is going to be the front plane. There, right, plain carbon steel, save, evaluate, mass. The mass is 472.93, 472.93. There, close that, browse to the desktop. There it is, submit. Maybe not have been the fast time there. It is very tricky. You have no idea what you're going to get. That was quite interesting. Hopefully I've got it all right. Since I've got this recording, I can always go back and double check. There's nothing like having second thoughts, third thoughts, or even fourth thoughts on something like this. So hopefully I've done all right. But otherwise it was an interesting challenge all the same. So maybe have a go at it yourself when you. It's a separate exercise or separate competition for resellers and customers, so that's always worth pointing out as well. So there we go, fingers crossed. Let's see how we get on.